Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we break down the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about a fascinating development that could change the way you think about Bitcoin forever. The Trump administration, led by Bo Hins, their top crypto advisor, is exploring some bold new strategies to acquire Bitcoin. And get this, they're thinking outside the box when it comes to funding these efforts. According to Hins, the government is looking at tariffs as a potential way to build up its strategic Bitcoin reserve. Now, let's dive into what that means in practical terms. The idea is that by imposing tariffs on certain goods or services, the U.S. government can generate revenue from those tariffs and use that money to buy more Bitcoin. It sounds like a simple plan, but it gets complicated quickly. For example, if the government decides to impose tariffs on imports, say on electronics or textiles, those tariffs would likely be passed on to consumers in the form of higher prices. But here's the thing, some of those tariffs might actually be used to fund the purchase of Bitcoin. But that raises an interesting question. What happens when these tariffs get repealed? Will the government still have access to that revenue stream, or will it just disappear into thin air? It's a tricky situation, and one that could have significant implications for the global economy. Now, let's talk about some of the other plans being considered by the Trump administration. They're also exploring collaboration between different government agencies, like Commerce and Treasury, to develop new Bitcoin acquisition strategies. And here's another interesting twist. According to Hins, the government plans to hold its Bitcoin reserves for the long term, rather than selling them off. That means they're thinking about Bitcoin as a kind of digital gold, something that could appreciate in value over time. Of course, this all raises questions about how the government will manage its Bitcoin holdings. Will it be used to back currency or loans, or will it simply be held for speculative purposes? We'll have to wait and see how things play out. One thing is for sure. This development has significant implications for the future of cryptocurrency and the global economy. And at Bitcoin Bulletin, we're here to keep you up to date on all the latest news and trends in the world of crypto. So what do you think? Are tariffs a viable way for governments to acquire Bitcoin, or is this just a desperate attempt to prop up the price? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis on all things Bitcoin.